Hey family, what's up? How you guys doing? I hope this video makes you guys really well. How you guys doing? I'm really so excited today because I'm going to be doing a first impression of this luxury Nigeria UK brand, Global Beauty. I already did an unboxing and swatching of this product, so if you haven't seen that, please check my last video. So today guys, I'm going to be doing first impression of this product and I'm going to be using them on myself so you guys can be a judge of how this product looks and to give you guys my honest opinion on this product. So if this sounds like something you guys are interested in, please keep on watching. And if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, I'm HD Signatures. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, leave your guy a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Without further ado, let's jump right into this first impression makeup tutorial. Bye guys. So guys, for those of you that are just seeing this video for the first time, these are the products that I got from this brand. Guys, I'm going to be applying my foundation with the beauty sponge that was sent to me in the PR package. Already. So I'm going to use this side. See how this is feeling now, guys. Like it bounces really well guys, and it's so soft. I'm going to be using the side of this beauty blender to blend out my contour. You can see how this is really blending out contour.
There for me, I saw there for you, baby. Sure you go there with me, oh, as I there with you.
This is just so awesome, right?
Baby boy, you got no money, yeah, I know. Every day I see the struggles, and you know, one day shall say a horse will go blow. I don't mind to wait, baby. But let go my sorrow, baby, boy, you know. Say my love for you, no, say nobody know. It will roll all back, whoever, yeah, yeah. I promise I will go away.
This is, can you see how precise the line is? Please let me go ahead and do my brows off camera and come back to you guys. I'm going to be creating a look using all these 12 shades. So keep on watching guys.
Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby, while I eat that lie. Promise you won't go away. Trips to Paris, when we are the things I like. Signs to deliver, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still get, baby.
I'm going to go ahead and make use of the brush.
So you go there for me, I sat there for you, baby. So you go there with me, oh, as I there with you.
I'm going to be using the pen eyeliner to line my eyes. So this is how.
Every day I see the struggles, and you know, one day shall say a horse will go blow. I don't mind to wait, baby. But let go my sorrow, baby, for you know. Say my love for you know, send nobody know.
Guys, can you see how dark this pen eyeliner is? This is kindness, so I'm making it up. Guys, can you see the pigment of this eyeshadow? Like, I barely touched it with my brush, and look at how colorful it is. Pleasant. This is pleasant. It's a cool, deep purple.
Boy, don't forget your promise when the money comes. Don't say I'm not your standard anymore. I go swear for you, baby,
The color blends really well, and this type of matte eyeshadow doesn't peel off.
Sign to the lip, but baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still game, baby.
I'm going to be making use of Charlie. So guys, I'm applying love.
So you go there for me, I sat there for you, baby. So you go there with me.
So I'm going to add a little bit of pleasant at the end part of love, just so you can create like a demarcating line. So guys, this is the finished look. So I'm going to be applying an highlighter from this brand. It's called Orion. So guys, I want to use this Wisdom eyeshadow. That's the yellow one. I really like the way the eyeshadow is.
Baby boy, you got no money, yeah, I know. Every day I see the struggles, and you know, one day shall say a
I'm going to be giving my honest first impression about this product. First of all, guys, the eyeshadow palette is too good. Like, the eyeshadow palette is giving me high-end vibe. It looks really pigmented. I mean, I don't have to say so much, guys, because you guys saw how everything went. We have really worked with a lot of matte eyeshadows. You will notice that there are some matte eyeshadows that when you apply them on your lid, when you add other colors on it, it starts picking up what you already applied on the lid. This eyeshadow is not like that. It blends really well, and I didn't even use an eyeshadow primer. I only use a concealer. It blends really well, and there is no much of fallout, as in there was hardly any fallout while I was applying this. I'm sure you guys can testify to that. The shimmer textures is so fantastic. Like, it's, to be honest, guys, just give it a try by going to their website on www.yubabeauty.com.ng or order for use. And the good thing about this eyeshadow palette is so affordable for you. And another amazing thing about this brand is they can deliver to you anywhere you are all over the world. Let's talk about the pen liner. The pen liner is just too good. There was something I noticed about the pen eyeliner. The tip, the applicator, is so soft that you can hardly feel it on your skin. Beauty sponge. Guys, I don't have to say so much about this product because you all saw how it looks, how they all worked well for me. Like, amazing, guys. So guys, I'm going to be leaving their link, their Instagram link, in the description box, and I'm going to also leave their website. Please, guys, do well to check them out. So guys, let me know which of this eye do you vibe more in the comment section. Do you like this eye, or do you just say eye A, the colorful one, or eye B, the soft nude one? So let me know down in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you guys. Let me know, guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.